Welcome, dear viewers, to a voyage across the globe to discover the world's most breathtaking nature destinations. Today, we'll explore places where the planet's beauty is revealed in astonishing forms, from towering mountains and turquoise lakes to vibrant coral reefs and endless rainforests. Each destination promises a glimpse into the extraordinary artistry of nature. As you watch, let yourself be enveloped by the sights and sounds that have enchanted travelers for generations. This is more than a video. It's an invitation to marvel and connect deeply with the wonders of the natural world. Nestled in the Canadian Rockies, Banff National Park is a sanctuary of untamed beauty. Turquoise lakes mirror towering peaks, inviting travelers with their tranquil ambience. Snow-capped mountains rise above ancient pines and wildflowers. Elk graze in meadows, and bears wander through aspen and spruce. In Banff, the air is filled with adventure, a place where the soul finds peace. Hidden in Croatia, Plitvice Lakes National Park is where water and forest intertwine in a breathtaking display. Cascading waterfalls tumble from mossy cliffs, feeding crystal-clear lakes that shimmer in blue and green. Wooden walkways wind over tranquil streams, letting visitors step lightly across this magical landscape. Sunlight filters through the leaves, illuminating schools of fish as they dart among submerged branches. In every season, Plitvice transforms. Spring blooms, autumn's fiery colors, and winter's frozen sculptures. To wander here is to enter a world apart, where every turn reveals another hidden wonder. In southern Chile, Torres del Paine is a land of dramatic contrasts and untamed wilderness. Granite towers rise abruptly from the steppe, their summits brushed by clouds and dawn's first light. Glaciers spill from ancient ice fields, while herds of guanacos roam the open grasslands. Condors circle above, watching over this domain of rugged beauty. Amidst wild expanses, vibrant lupines and hardy shrubs cling to life, their colors a testament to nature's resilience. Torres del Paine is a reminder of the wild spirit that endures at the edge of the world. Perched on a volcanic caldera, Santorini dazzles with whitewashed buildings and the deep blue Aegean Sea. Blue-domed churches and winding lanes cling gracefully to the cliffs. As the sun sets, golden light bathes the island and the sky glows pink and orange. Each evening, crowds gather to witness one of the world's most celebrated sunsets. Beneath the coral sea lies the Great Barrier Reef, the largest living structure on Earth, and a kaleidoscope of color and life. This underwater wonderland is home to thousands of species, coral gardens teeming with fish, turtles, and sharks. Clownfish dart among anemones, while rays and dolphins glide silently through the blue. Above, islands of golden sand and mangroves provide sanctuary for seabirds and nesting turtles. In the Great Barrier Reef, the boundaries between worlds dissolve, and the wonders of the ocean reveal themselves in full splendor. In California, Yosemite National Park stands as a monument to nature's grandeur. Towering granite cliffs, El Capitan and Half Dome, rise above lush valleys, their faces gleaming in the sunlight. Waterfalls tumble from dizzying heights, their spray catching the light in shimmering rainbows. Ancient groves of giant sequoias shelter a world of ferns and wildflowers, while deer and black bears wander quietly below. In spring, meadows burst into bloom. In winter, waterfalls freeze into crystalline sculptures. Yosemite is a sanctuary where the spirit of the wild endures and inspires all who walk its trails. Rising above the plains of Honshu, Mount Fuji is an icon of Japan, a symbol of beauty and serenity. Its snow-capped cone is reflected in Lake Kawaguchi, framed by cherry blossoms in spring. Pilgrims and travelers ascend its trails, seeking not only the summit, but quiet contemplation. On clear mornings, the mountain appears ethereal, its peak shrouded in mist, inspiring poets and artists for centuries. Mount Fuji is more than a landscape. It's a symbol of the enduring connection between humanity and nature. In Iceland, the Golden Circle offers a journey through landscapes born of myth and legend. Geysers erupt in plumes of steam, while the mighty Gullfoss waterfall crashes into a deep canyon. Fields of moss and lichen stretch across ancient lava flows, revealing the restless energy beneath the earth. Glaciers and volcanoes coexist, shaping the land in a perpetual dance of creation and destruction. In winter, the northern lights swirl above. In summer, the midnight sun bathes the land in endless glow. The Golden Circle is where the boundaries of reality blur, and the magic of the earth is revealed. Scattered across the Indian Ocean, the Maldives are a vision of tropical perfection. White sand beaches fringe islands of lush palms, their shores lapped by turquoise waters. Overwater bungalows beckon travelers to unwind in utter tranquility, with uninterrupted views of sea and sky. Beneath the surface, coral reefs teem with manta rays, whale sharks, and schools of vibrant fish. Each sunset is a masterpiece painted across the horizon. In the Maldives, every moment is an invitation to celebrate the beauty of the natural world. Deep in South America lies the Amazon rainforest, a vast, verdant expanse pulsing with life. Giant trees tower above, their canopies creating a living tapestry that stretches as far as the eye can see. Monkeys leap from branch to branch, butterflies dance through sunlight, and the air is filled with the chorus of birds and frogs. Each layer of the forest holds its own secrets, from insects to the elusive jaguar. Rivers wind through the jungle, reflecting the emerald canopy above. The Amazon is a testament to the power, beauty, and fragility of our planet's wildest places. Thank you for joining me on this journey through some of the planet's most awe-inspiring destinations. From Patagonia's icy peaks to the sun-drenched Maldives, each place reminds us of our world's profound beauty and diversity. If this journey stirred your spirit, subscribe for more uplifting travel content that celebrates the wonders of our planet. Like and share to let others discover the magic and majesty of these beautiful places. Until we meet again, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep marveling at the wonders of nature.